are off on a farm adventure today. We are heading to Quarryville to Miller's Biodiversity Farm. The girls are ready for Farm Friday. So here's our car picnic.
Go ahead. From age 21 to like 30. So 10 years. We have 2 older children in that church and a lot of nursery.
Go ahead in. Hey guys, we are here at Miller Biodiversity Farm. They are another farm on our Weston A. Price chapter leader list of places that you can get local raw milk, pastured meat, pastured eggs, and other dairy products. And so today we're visiting them. They're in Quarryville, but they actually have drop-off locations throughout Pennsylvania. So just visit their website, and I will put that up here at the end of the video. To come take a tour with us. The owner's name is Aaron, and it's an Amish farm here in the heart of Lancaster County. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just going to turn my camera around and show you. You can see in the back, the cows are grazing in the back. They have A2 milk, which is easy to digest, and they test all their milk. They test for the A2 to make sure that it is there, that the genes are there. But you can see their beautiful pastures in the back. Our cows grazing, all Jersey cows. So, all right, follow along. We are in the bottling room, so everything is very sanitized, sanitary. This is where the milk comes through right here and gets put into the bottles, the jugs, and then the capper is right here and caps it. And here's all the bottles, so super sanitary. They test every batch of milk. This is the testing room where they test the milk. These are all their lab reports. And then the test procedures that they have to go through. And is that for the state, or is that just something that you guys do?
That's just something that we do.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I mean, the state doesn't require that, but it definitely helps us out, like with we can soon detect a problem.
Okay. This is their cooler of all their products. Milk. Look at that golden butter. That is just the best. And ghee. And cheese. That's incredible. And the freezer section of where they store everything. This is their culture room where they put their yogurt to culture. You can imagine that, a whole room to culture yogurt. Incredible. Hey guys! You said you were about 2 acres penned in here? Yeah. 2 acres for these guys to roam. They're so cute.